Can you see Izzy's silhouette by the window? She's looking out. So as summer leaves, this is the hardest part for an early bird like me, to wait for the sun to come up in order to become more active. I mean, as far as going for a walk and stuff. Morning friends, it's Jen. It's about 5:45. I've been up since 5, and here I have breakfast for Tom. Some mozzarella, bacon, cheese omelets. And for his lunch, I'm frying him a hamburger patty with a couple of slices of cheddar cheese. And we have some toasted sourdough. That will be his sandwich. And some other carrots, cucumbers, some mandarins, and some veggie straws. Okay, then I store everything here in the refrigerator, and then Tom comes later in the morning, he stops by and he packs his lunch up and heads out. 5:55 in the morning, and I'm gonna go out and put the sprinkler system on. And you always know it's gonna be a hot day because it's barely windy, barely cool. It's like tempered weather. Okay, so I just wait for it to pass the other way. And look, there's a red star up there. I don't think you can see it, but that sure is red. I think it looks red. Maybe not. But there are some stars out. Okay. Ah! Make sure these ones get some water too. Nice early morning walk. Feels cool out here for now. Yesterday was 108 degrees here in this neck of the woods.
In front of our house.
I'm surprised they left this tree, this beautiful big tree up. I wonder if they're going to keep it and add it to this neighbor's backyard. We'll see. Hope it remains. It's a beautiful tree, nice and full. Look at that beautiful shade it provides. Okay, so when I get home, sometime a little later, I need to find a moth or a grasshopper. This morning I went into my she cave and I got hit in the head by a flying bug. I think it's a moth, but I have a feeling it could be a grasshopper or some of the sort. I don't know where it's at. I have to look for it. So that'll be a little challenge. And maybe Izzy and her senses can help me find it. But I'm almost done. I'm trying to do 30 minutes walk in the morning hopefully 30 in the evening, but today is supposed to be 108 as our high, and we'll see. I normally like to do my walks early morning, but between making Tom's breakfast so he can take his lunch and breakfast with him and stuff, I don't know, I'll try to get some walking in the morning. Okay, so I'm back from my walk, and I'm gonna have a couple of mandarins before I have some water. And I was browsing through the headlines, and I did see that the Farmer's Almanac is predicting that we're gonna have another wild winter again this winter. And I was thinking in my head, I have those really thick, brown, heavy curtains, drapes, and I need to look in my boxes in the garage. Hopefully they're in the garage because we still have storage. And I'm looking for those moving blankets, which I like to put up on my windows as an extra insulation. So that's something that I need to do soon, as well as prepare for. I think I need to search or purchase my husband a down jacket, down-filled jacket, or something that's really well insulated from the cold air. Put a little bit of pink salt. I thought my pork riblets were thawed, and they're not, so they're going in frozen. Okay, friends, so it's a new morning. It's Saturday the 19th of August. Sun's rising, I'm going on my morning walk, and a slightly shift in topic. I guess maybe we're supposed to be getting some smoke overflow from all the wildfires that's been going on. Then also, I believe August 1st, there was some major wildfires in the northern part of Texas, up north. And I didn't notice any smoke or any, you know, how the sky turns when it's smoky. But looking at the sky, it does look like there is a haze. Has that brown haze to it. So I just wanted to touch on that really quick. And so I wonder, so I guess all this dry brush here has potential to just self-ignite in the intense heat, sunlight. But I guess sometimes a little dew could help as well to these fires. But yeah, I guess we just have to just stay alert and stay prepared of our surroundings.
Maybe that's why we've been seeing a lot of Teslas.
You think your chances are high, Lily?
Yeah.
I don't think they won't want kids to do that, puppy. Pardon me, sir.